Hello everyone, Nikki here from Happy Camper, and today I'm going to be fixing a very common but annoying problem with the Chevy Astro vans, and that's fixing the faulty door actuator. First, I'm going to show you how to diagnose the problem, and then I'm going to get to work. If you are here because you're looking for a complete guide on how to do this work, you've come to the wrong place. But hopefully you'll learn a little bit from watching me complete the process. First, let me talk a little bit about how to diagnose the issue. For us, we knew that there was an issue with our door actuator because when Honey hits the unlock button on the driver's side door, the passenger side door doesn't open. Vice versa, I don't even think the actuator works on the driver's side door either, but we are able to lock the rear passenger door and our back hatch doors using the buttons on both the driver and the passenger side. Another common thing that comes up with a faulty door actuator is that if you have a clicker, which we don't, when you use it, the doors will not unlock or lock like you would expect them to. Here's a brief list of the tools that I think that you will need. You'll need a drill with a drill bit big enough to drill out the rivets where the door actuator is installed. You'll need both a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips. You will also want some gloves and some eye protection for safety. And you'll need a torque wrench, size 30, I believe. I think that's what the star fitting is called. So we're at the end of day one, and so far we've broken 3 drill bits trying to get the rivets out. So that is definitely the most challenging part of this project. We're going to go to Ace this evening and get a new drill bit, and I'm gonna give it another try tomorrow. Overall, I didn't have very many problems taking the door panel out. It was a little bit scary. I didn't want to break it, especially any of the clips. I've broken other clips on the van before, but luckily nothing broke this time. I am back. It is day 2. I've got a new drill bit from Ace that I'm going to give a try. So let's hope that today goes a lot better than yesterday went. Let me just show you these rivets here. So at the end of the day, I don't know if I used a big enough drill, but I was able to yank them off. So here's the old door actuator. This was in here, connected to there. I had to use some pliers to yank it off. It wasn't super easy, but there you have it. And now we are going to install the new one. All right, so I got the actuator out. This is the old one, but the newest development is that the one that is new has the bolt holes on the wrong side. So what I think I'm gonna do is try to take these screws off and then switch it so that it will go into the right side. We're back here at day 3. After getting the rivets off, it started to rain, so I had to pause the project. But basically, I'm ready to install the actuator now. I figured out after some more research yesterday that this little piece that came on the actuator is actually meant for a bolt. So we went to Ace yesterday and got a couple of small bolts that are short enough so that they won't interfere with the actuator. And now we're going to install it. Alright, so I got the actuator installed. There it is. Let's see, I put a little bit of Aquafor on the end there to help shove that through and use needle nose pliers. Now I just need to tighten up these bolts and then put the whole door panel back on. But I'll show you a little bit now that you can see the way that the door works. Basically, this piece goes up and down and it controls the little lever on the door to lock it. So now what I'll do is, you'll see, I'm gonna push this button here and you'll see this move. So basically it controls this.